welcome to Trendy Cool. Today we see some exciting news about Galaxy S21 teaser. There are multiple smartphones lined up for a 2021 release. Among this battle, Samsung Galaxy S21 is most expected flagship mobile. This Samsung is expected to launch its Galaxy S21 series in mid-January, coming much earlier than previous smartphone in this family. Now, the company has posted a teaser video on their official US YouTube channel, hinting that a new Galaxy awaits. This teaser begins with the tagline New Year, New Ways to Express Yourself, and goes to show the evolution of Galaxy S series of smartphone. Even if you haven't got the finest idea about them, the video explains it clearly. From the first Galaxy S in 2010 bringing water resistance in Galaxy S5, curved display in S6 to a punch hole display in a S10 and a S20, the company has come a long way. It has not only pioneered the display technology, but it has made sure the S series gets the best attention every year in every aspects. I share you the teaser here. Having said that, the video ends with a new Galaxy awaits in 2021. With this, it has confirmed the new flagship series arrival. Although it is yet to reveal the official branding, several reports says that it will be a Galaxy S21 series. The series will likely feature three smartphones: Galaxy S21, S21 Plus, S21 Ultra. Almost all of the specs and pricing of these devices already been leaked. In fact, it is reported up for pre-orders in countries like US, China, and India ahead of the launch. It is only a matter of time before the company reveals the official launching date, which is expected to be January 14. So, once this smartphone released, will come up with the exact specs, details, and pricing. Wish you happy new year to everyone. To hear latest tech talks, don't forget to subscribe to Cool. I'll see you soon for another interesting video.